I'm in Delano Park in Decatur, Alabama, and down here, I just got this yesterday. What you're seeing here is the Cogito Specta Mini. Kind of give you a little show around the thing. I've got it in my hotel bag, my Nano Plus that got a gimbal problem. So this is my very first flight on this thing. I'm going to be trying this out. And one of my targets before it rains is I'm going to try to do an orbit around this great big water tower. You can see the sky there. It's very dark, even though it's in the morning, because it looks like a big storm's supposed to come in here. But let me see if I can do a few little flights with this thing so I can show you something about it, because I want to learn something about it myself. This is truly my first flight. Here, I'll just show you very quickly. Here's the controller. You said I don't have it turned on yet. So we're going to try this thing together. I did turn it on yesterday just to update it, but it is all updated, and we'll see how this goes.